in the town of Elderbend, where time ticked sideways and the shadows whispered secrets, lived a girl named Ophelia. An orphan, yes, but not just any. She was born on the 13th chime of a broken hour, left on the doorstep of a crooked building called Haven. It was a clockmaker across the way who found Ophelia and watched over her from his clock shop ever since.
Ophelia, it's lovely to see you. What's wrong?
Mr. Petrov? The grandfather clock is humming again. It sounds beautiful, like a heartbeat.
It's older than this town, older than me, and it's calling you now as it once did me.
Why does this one tick backwards?
Alas, come to the shop at midnight and all your questions will be answered.
So Ophelia left Mr. Petrov and returned to the orphanage.
Sneaking off again? Curiosity got the last girl lost in that shop. She never came back.
Not sneaking, Iris. Just searching for answers. I'll come back with answers.
Ophelia returned to the clock shop at midnight. The grandfather clock was open and beckoned her to come in. And as she stepped closer, she heard Mr. Petrov.
Off you go, Ophelia. It's time.
Please be safe, Ophelia.
She stepped into a space between seconds into an alternate reality. By then, it was too late.
You know my mother, don't you, Mr. Petrov? Did she know about the clocks?
Look around. This isn't home.
This is a nightmare that we've labeled reality. It's a lie, my dear, sweet girl.